Good morning, my dear children. Welcome to today's geography class. So, in the last few classes, we have been discussing the new chapter about natural vegetation and wildlife. In the last class, we have discussed the important causes which influence or the factors which influence the growth of natural vegetation of a region. And we saw different types of vegetation all over India. A typical natural vegetation will grow in a particular region and the reasons for that. So today we will start the types of vegetation in India or the types of forests seen in India or grown in India. So there are mainly five major types of vegetation of India. First one is tropical rainforest, then tropical deciduous forest, then tropical thorn forest and scrubs, then mountain forest and mangrove forest. Okay, so these are the types of vegetation seen in India, natural vegetation seen in India. Which are they? Tropical rainforest, tropical deciduous forest, tropical thorn forest and scrubs, mountain forest and mangrove forest. So here in this map also you can identify the areas with the different types of natural vegetation all over the country. Isn't it? Yes. So today we will deal with the first type of natural vegetation, that is tropical evergreen forest or tropical rainforest. സോ ആ പേര് കേൾക്കുമ്പോൾ തന്നെ നിങ്ങൾക്ക് അതിൻ്റെ അതെങ്ങനെയുള്ള ഫോറസ്റ്റ് ആണെന്ന് മനസ്സിലാവും. ട്രോപ്പിക്കൽ എവർഗ്രീൻ ഫോറസ്റ്റ്. ദാറ്റ് മീൻസ് ദ ലീവ്സ്, actually the trees grown in this type of natural vegetation, they don't have a specific season to shed their leaves altogether. That means they will appear green all throughout the year. That is why the name tropical evergreen forest, and it is also known as a rainforest. That means they are seen in areas having very high annual rainfall. In the previous lesson, the previous chapter, we have learned about the different aspects of rainfall, annual rainfall received by our country in different areas. So the areas with high annual rainfall, we can see this type of natural vegetation. That means more than 200 centimeters of rainfall with a short dry season. This type of areas are having this tropical evergreen forest. So these forests are restricted to heavy rainfall areas of Western Ghats and island groups of Lakshadweep, Andaman and Nicobar, then the northeastern states, especially Assam, Meghalaya, Tripura, Mizoram, Nagaland, etc. Then Tamil Nadu coast, etc. So these are the typical areas where we can see this type of natural vegetation. So this type of vegetation is seen in areas with high amount of annual rainfall. That means more than 200 centimeters of annual rainfall, and comparatively the regions are experiencing the high temperatures also. Okay, so since the region is warm and wet throughout the year, it has a luxuriant vegetation of all kinds. That means we can see different types of plants there, even from creepers and climbers to very tall trees. Okay, so there you can see in the textbook, you can see the cross section of the vegetation there, tropical evergreen forest. That means from trees, shrubs, creepers, all these give it a multi-layered structure. So there is no definite time for trees to shed their leaves. As such, these forests appear green all the year around. That is why that type of natural vegetation got the name evergreen forest, and it is also known as tropical rainforest. Okay. So here is a brief description of this tropical rainforest. These forests grow in areas where rainfall is more than 200 centimeters. They include tropical semi-evergreen forest and tropical evergreen forest. Then trees do not have a particular season to cast off their leaves. That forests are also known as archetypal rainforest. Okay, so the important trees grown in this type of natural vegetation include trees like ebony, mahogany, rosewood, rubber, cinchona, etc. You may heard about these type of trees also, the names of these trees, isn't it? Yes. Not only this, different types of uh, animals are seen in this type of dense forest. A variety of wild animals. They are the home for animals like elephant, monkey, lemur, different types of deer. Then, especially one important animal seen in this region, especially in the northeastern state like Assam, that is one-horned rhino. Even these rhinos are protected in national parks and wildlife sanctuaries in these particular states like Kaziranga, Manas. All these are areas where this one-horned rhino has been protected. Okay, so these dense forests are home for different animals. The common animals found in these forests are elephant, monkey, lion, tiger, lemur, deer, etc. Okay. Okay, now we are trying to locate the areas with this type of natural vegetation in on this outline map here. Okay, so these natural vegetation, this tropical evergreen forest or rainforest are seen in the western coast or the west of Western Ghats. Okay, so the western coast or the Western Ghats are typical areas of this natural vegetation, evergreen forest. In our state also we have a national park, Silent Valley. This virgin forest in the Silent Valley National Park is an example for evergreen forest or tropical rainforest. Okay, so this Western Ghats region, then the Tamil Nadu coast region. Okay, these are the typical areas with tropical evergreen forest in south. Then when we move on to the north, it is seen especially in the states like the northeastern state, almost all the state, Assam, Meghalaya, Tripura, Manipur. I will show you the states. This is Assam, first one, Assam, Nagaland, Manipur, Mizoram, Tripura, and Meghalaya. These are the states with this type of natural vegetation, tropical evergreen forest. So almost all the northeastern states except Arunachal Pradesh. Yes, all these are having or experienced by or this tropical evergreen forest are grown in these areas. Okay, so this is about the first type of natural vegetation, tropical evergreen forest or tropical rainforest. Is it clear? ഒരുവിധം മനസ്സിലായല്ലോ കാര്യങ്ങൾ. വളരെ കുറച്ചാണ് ഇന്ന് പഠിപ്പിച്ചത്. ടെക്സ്റ്റ് ബുക്ക് വായിക്കുക, എന്തെങ്കിലും സംശയങ്ങളുണ്ടെങ്കിൽ ഇപ്പോൾ ചോദിക്കുക. അതിനകത്ത് മാപ്പിനകത്ത് ഈ പർട്ടിക്കുലർ നാച്ചുറൽ വെജിറ്റേഷൻ കാണപ്പെടുന്ന സ്ഥലങ്ങൾ ഐഡൻറ്റിഫൈ ചെയ്യാൻ നോക്കുക. ആൻഡ് ഈ നോർത്ത് ഈസ്റ്റേൺ സ്റ്റേറ്റ്സും തമിഴ്നാട്, കേരള കോസ്റ്റ് അല്ലെങ്കിൽ വെസ്റ്റേൺ കോസ്റ്റ് അല്ലെങ്കിൽ വെസ്റ്റേൺ ഗഡ്സ് ഒഴികെ നമ്മുടെ സ്റ്റേറ്റ്സ് ലൈക്ക് ഒഡീഷ, ദ കോസ്റ്റൽ റീജിയൻസ് ഓഫ് ഒഡീഷ ആൻഡ് വെസ്റ്റ് ബംഗാൾ, ഇവിടെ കുറച്ച് സ്ഥലം വേറൊരു ടൈപ്പ് ഫോറസ്റ്റാണ് നമുക്ക് പഠിക്കാനുണ്ട്, മാംഗ്രൂവ് ഫോറസ്റ്റ് വെസ്റ്റ് ബംഗാളിൽ. അതിൽ കുറേ സ്ഥലങ്ങളിൽ ഈ ടൈപ്പ് ഓഫ് നാച്ചുറൽ വെജിറ്റേഷൻ കാണപ്പെടുന്നുണ്ട്. ഓക്കെ, സോ ദിസ് ഇസ് ഓൾ അബൌട്ട് tropical evergreen forest. So today we discussed this type of natural vegetation. Among them, the first one, tropical rainforest. So the important natural vegetation or types of forest seen in India are tropical rainforest or evergreen forest, tropical deciduous forest, tropical thorn forest and scrubs, then mountain forest and mangrove forest. So we will see in the next class. Thank you for watching. Please read the textbook. Please watch the videos repeatedly if you have any doubt. Okay. Thank you, children.